At Spotify Camp Nou, a key setback has emerged. The North goal will not receive its license in time for the Copa del Rey clash against Atletico de Madrid. The planned 17,000-seat partial opening is officially postponed. But while the license is delayed, construction momentum across the stadium is accelerating. From facade anchors to roof beams, today's update reveals why progress inside Camp Nou hasn't slowed down at all. Work in the north goal corner is now centered on facade preparation. Anchor brackets for the exterior slats are largely installed across the lower section, including the future false ceiling zone. The left side is nearly complete, while the right side still awaits upper anchor placement. Finishing works are clearly visible as crews apply black coating to steel beams and exposed bolts. Glass panels have been temporarily protected to prevent damage during painting. Some sections are fully finished, while others remain in progress, gradually bringing uniformity to the structure. A delivery of rock wool insulation has arrived, pointing to continued progress in interior and thermal works. The presence of this material indicates that enclosure and internal layering phases are advancing alongside exterior structural upgrades. The elevator structure in the north goal appears structurally advanced. Elevated platforms are active around the frame, with interior work ongoing at lower levels. While concrete facade panels have not yet been installed here, preparation suggests that enclosure work may begin soon. Several glass panels and decorative trim pieces are now installed along the upper levels. The Tribune zone shows the strongest visual progress. Sandwich panels now cover much of the frontal structure, and concrete panels are secured along lower sections. Crane lifts and platform work continue, marking a clear acceleration compared to previous updates. We now move to GSUR, where activity is clearly increasing. An orange crane is being prepared for lifting operations near the elevator structure, likely to position structural beams. Elevated platforms are working at different heights, showing coordinated progress across multiple levels of the frame. The twin structural frames in this sector are now at an advanced stage. Interior teams continue lifting flooring components for scaffolding, while upper crews focus on alignment and reinforcement. Anchor installation for the exterior slats is almost finalized. Vertical brackets and lower support zones are secured across most sections, with platforms still active for final tightening and adjustments. The sector is structurally ready for slat installation, even though visible placement has not yet started. A fifth radial beam has now arrived and is staged for lifting toward the upper compression ring. Its presence confirms steady progress in the roof support system. Additional vertical elements nearby indicate that heavy structural assembly remains ongoing in this zone. The lateral facade continues to close in. Sandwich panels cover most of the lower and mid sections, leaving only upper segments and a small side portion pending. Crane and platform crews are working simultaneously to complete alignment and move this frame toward full enclosure. 2 additional compression ring segments are now visible in GSUR, increasing the number of roof elements staged on site. Alongside them, smaller steel components and lifting platforms are positioned, signaling preparation for upcoming roof assembly phases. The reinforced flooring in the front diamond area has now been fully concreted. With this base phase completed, the sector appears ready for anchor placement and the next stage of facade preparation. Inside the structure, reinforcement and welding tasks continue at multiple heights. One side remains slightly more advanced than the other, but both frames are steadily progressing toward panel installation and structural closure. If you enjoyed this detailed update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next behind-the-scenes progress report. See you in the next update.